Hi students, now logic teacher. This is question number 6 from exercise 1.2 from real numbers CBSE class 10 max answer, right? Okay. Textbook எப்பவுமே keep it with yourself while we are doing these sums. The question is, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. See, we have a number prime factors, right? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. See, we have an plus operation here, right? In the prime factors we have a plus operation, and we have to explain why these two numbers are composite numbers. It is given that these two numbers are composite numbers, not prime numbers. If you work out these operations, it will become a composite number. That is, we have to explain, right? First we will take this case, that is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, right? Here we have a plus. How can we simplify this? We can take 13 as common. Then very next step, take 13 as common. So this is 11 in 7 into 11 into, this is 1, right? 1 plus this is 1. We took 13 as common now. So this is 13 into 7 into 11, 77 into 1, 77 plus 1, right? So this is 13 into 78. See, 13 is a prime number and 78, we will check 78. By seeing this, we can say that this is not a prime number, this is a composite number. So it has more than, what to say, it has factors other than 1 and 78. We can divide it by 7, right? 2, maybe 3. We'll do that. 3 2s are 6, 1 9, again 3, this is 13. So it has other prime factors also, so this is a composite number, right? Take this case. Here we have 5 now. We'll take 5 as common, equal to 5 in common. So 7 into 6 into, instead of 5 it is 1, right? Because it is common, into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is also 1 because we took 5 as common. If you multiply all those things 5 by 5, you will get this number, right? So now what can we do? 5 into, first we have to multiply all these things. After that we have to add this number, right? 7 6 are 42, 1 4 is 4, 4 3 are 12, 2 12 are 24, 24 into 1 24, 42 into 24 plus 1. Again we have to multiply these two numbers, right? So what is 42 into 24? 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 8 10 10, 1008, right? So this is 5 into 1008 plus 1. So this is 5 into 1009. So this 1009 also have other factors other than 1 and 1009. So this is a composite number. So it is proved that these two numbers are, have other factors not satisfying the rule for prime numbers. ப்ரைம் நம்பர்ஸாக இருக்கணும்னா என்னவாக இருக்கணும், அந்த நம்பரு which can be divisible by 1 and that number itself இல்லையா. பட் this have composite numbers, so these two numbers are composite. So composite numbers, right? Okay, see the next question. This is also very interesting question actually. See, read the question. There is a circular path around a sports field. You do one thing, first draw a circular path. This is not a circular path actually, which I drew, but assume this is circular path, okay? And Sonia, that's a girl. Sonia is a girl name, right? If I am not wrong, this is a girl. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So if it is the starting point, Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete a full round, okay? And Ravi takes 12 minutes. He's a boy. Ravi is a boy, right? If I am not wrong, he's a boy. It is 12 minutes, right? What's that meaning? If Sonia starts from here, she will complete the round by running in 18 minutes, right? Ravi completes this in 12 minutes. Okay, suppose they both start at the same point. They are starting at the same point and at the same time they are starting and go in the same direction. They are going in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? After how many minutes they will meet in this starting point? How will we find this? You will see this. You just imagine both are starting at the same time, right? So Ravi will go before Sonia, right? So he will be going to we will just calculate in a other way, okay? Ravi will complete the first round in 12 minutes, second round in 24, third in 36, another 12 minutes he will complete fourth. It will go like this, right? And Sonia in 18 minutes he will complete the first round. In 36, another 18 minutes, right? 18 plus 18, 36, right? Another 18 minutes he will come to this point. In another 18 minutes, 54, right? Will go like this. In this time they will be here, right? We have to see the first possible common factor, right? Which is that 36. After 36 minutes they will meet at the same point. But we have to find what is this actually. 36. This is least common multiple, right? Sorry, my pen is over, but you have to find least common multiple for this question. So you have to find the least common multiple, LCM of 18 and 12, that will be 36. Sorry, I am really sorry, I don't have a pen right now. You just work out, you just find the LCM for this question. That is the answer. After at the time of 36 minutes after they started, they will meet at the starting point again. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.